Hi, I'm Andrew Scheuermann, CEO and one of the co-founders of Arch Systems, a company that was started to help manufacturers like you digitize, become fundamentally more efficient despite the legacy machines and systems that you think are holding you back. In this short video, we'll introduce the company, the problems that we help you solve, and the unique technology and team that we bring to bear. I hope we get the chance to work with you in the future. Thank you. At Arch, our goal is to help you achieve Industry 4.0. The promise of Industry 4.0 is vast: zero downtime, predictive, AI-driven manufacturing, with a whole array of use cases from automation, of course, to machine monitoring, predictive maintenance, predictive quality. But the problem is that our world is full of incompatible machines. In some of your factories, perhaps you have a lot of different smart machines. Some of the spaces we work in are advanced as the fabs of semiconductor, where you can turn the lights off and they're fully automated. Despite that, these incredible machines are each living in individual data silos where it's challenging to put the data together. On the other side of the world, you have assembly lines, for example, where legacy machines are doing most of the jobs and they have no way to give data at all. With so many different vendors, this problem of incompatibility doesn't go away, and it makes you think that there's no way to get to these Industry 4.0 outcomes. However, manufacturers are sitting on untapped value. Smart machines have trapped data inside, and we've built a library of tools to tap databases, logs, control ports, and get that data. Dumb machines actually have data too, and we have a modular IoT sensor set to tap things like the motor voltage and movements to get the data. From a framework perspective, this starts with extracting the right data from any machine, new or legacy. Then that data, which could have come from your MES or SCADA, it could have come from smart or dumb machines, is all transformed and put into the place it needs to be to do its job. A central piece of our structure is called the ArchFX Broker. It's a software program built on modern open source standards that lets you take heterogeneous data in real time, put it into the right formats, and put it where it needs to be. This could be into your MES or ERP to enable a lot of the functions that you have but aren't taking advantage of. It could be into third-party clouds with a machine learning AI vendor that you've been wanting to work with, but you just can't feed them. Or it could be into the cloud that's set up by Arch to do some of the powerful applications that we have out of the box. In particular, we build end-to-end solutions to help our customers achieve ROI and get there together. The first node on this journey is typically utilizing the tools you already have, the MES and the ERP. ISA 95 is a standard that's helped define how the factory can work if you have these SCADA, MES, and ERP layers well defined. However, for the most part, you lack the data to automate many of the functions that they have. That's no longer the case with Arch and the ArchFX Broker connecting directly to your machines and feeding those with machine data. Once you've achieved that, it makes sense to move to global KPIs, where you start seeing real-time metrics aggregated and analyzed from your machines across your fleet. Anywhere that you have the same machines or processes going on is an opportunity to be benchmarking, analyzing against each other, using the fact that you have many different machines and processes as an asset to uncover what could be improved every single day. Once you've achieved that, it makes sense to then go beyond real-time analytics to predictive analytics, specifically predicting maintenance and quality events by using advanced machine learning and AI techniques on this machine data to visualize the ideal maintenance and process window. Once you have that, something our team can work with you to build, you can use it to do maintenance earlier to prevent bad mistakes, as well as doing maintenance later and extending the life of your machines when you didn't have to do it in the first place. Finally, as a company, we are trying to be your partner for the long run, not the short run. This is not about short-term projects that we just do here and there and help you with. Each project is part of a continuum towards an Industry 4.0 goal, which ultimately is about getting this data, training those maintenance and process windows, and feeding back into your system automatically so that your system and your team can help automatically keep your factory always running for that zero waste AI predictive future. Now, just a couple other things about our company. We are a global team. We have team members in 5 countries, and we work with factories in many more than that. You can see here a select number of our deployments with Arch in production use across the Americas and Asia. Since this map was created, we also have production use in Europe in addition to more rollouts that are coming in orange and a lot of pilot and developer use cases in green. Our leadership team comes from a deep background in the semiconductor world, including serial entrepreneurs. Myself and the other co-founder did our PhDs together at Stanford. Our co-founder, Tim Burke, works in advanced modeling, designed advanced theories that have been used to predict how electrons move in solar cells, just as they have done predictive maintenance on wells in Africa. Some of the origins of Arch come from using simple sensors to retrofit wells in Tanzania to do predictive maintenance on drinking water wells for nonprofit purposes. I myself used to build semiconductor machines, and a lot of our DNA comes from that side of the world as well. So we embrace these two sides of smart and dumb machines, knowing how new digital machine works, as well as old mechanical electrical machines work, and combining that with the skills needed to free that data and use these advanced machine learning and AI tools. Thanks for watching this. I really hope we get the opportunity to work with you in the future. Reach out to us with your questions and what you think we might be able to do together. Thanks so much.